we're ready to apply tung oil. 2 coats, because that's a food-friendly finish. All tung oil is not created equal. I'm Eddie Field with Field Guide to DIY. I was told that all tung oil is food-friendly. That is not the case, because after I did these charcuterie boards with the WATCO tung oil, a friend of mine says, "Hey, did you use WATCO tung oil? You know it has naphtha in it." So I looked into it, and lo and behold, it does. And so WATCO has butcher block oil and finish, which is FDA approved. It's a food-friendly finish, and that's not easy to say. So what I had to do is I sanded off the boards, sanded off all the finish so there's no possibility of it leaching through. Take it down to the bare wood, getting rid of the WATCO tung oil, and putting on 2 coats of WATCO butcher block finish. And in between, buffed it out with 400 grit sandpaper and applied the 2nd coat. I just thought you should know that not all tung oil is food friendly. For more helpful woodworking tips like this one, click the image on your screen now.